Welcome back to GigaBits, the channel where we break down real tech tools and learning platforms so you can decide what actually works before you commit your time and money. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at Busuu, one of the most talked-about language learning apps in 2026. With millions of users worldwide, Busuu promises structured lessons, community feedback, AI tools, and real conversation practice. But does it deliver? And more importantly, is it worth your time compared to other apps? Let's find out. What Busuu is. Busuu is a language learning app designed for learners of all levels. It offers structured courses in multiple languages from Spanish and French to Japanese and Arabic. Busuu combines textbook-style lessons with vocabulary practice, conversational exercises, and now, in 2026, AI-powered features. Busuu positions itself as a complete learning system, not just drills or flashcards, but something you can use to actually communicate in a language. User experience and interface. One of Busuu's strongest points is its interface. It's clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. Lessons are divided into bite-sized sections covering grammar, vocabulary, listening, reading, and speaking. You can track progress, set goals, and see how far you've come, which makes it excellent for daily habit-based learning. Compared to some gamified apps, Busuu feels more serious, which can be a pro or a con depending on your learning style. Learning methodology. Busuu uses a structured curriculum based on CEFR levels, A1 to B2/C1. That means lessons are built to take you from absolute beginner toward intermediate and advanced stages with a clear progression path. Key elements include vocabulary practice with spaced repetition, grammar explanations and real sentences, listening exercises with native speaker audio, speaking exercises with AI feedback, writing exercises reviewed by community users. This well-rounded approach makes Busuu stronger than many apps that focus only on translation or repetition. 2026 features, AI and interaction. In 2026, Busuu has embraced AI in a meaningful way. The platform now offers AI conversation simulations, instant pronunciation feedback, AI-generated explanations and examples, interactive speaking drills with realistic scenarios. These features bridge the gap between passive learning and active use, making Busuu feel closer to real classroom practice without the cost. Busuu still offers community interaction where native speakers can correct your writing and speaking tasks. This social aspect adds real context that many self-paced apps lack. Content quality and language options. Busuu's content quality is generally high. Lessons feel natural and practical, and they focus on real language usage rather than contrived textbook sentences. However, the number of languages is more limited compared to some competitors. Busuu shines with major global languages like English, Spanish, French, German, etc., but has fewer niche options. Pricing and value. 2026 update. Busuu uses a subscription model with different tiers, a free tier with limited access, a premium plan with full lessons and progress tracking, a premium plus plan with AI tools and advanced features. In 2026, Busuu's pricing is competitive with other premium learning apps. If you value structured progress and feedback, the paid tiers offer good value. But if you're a casual learner or prefer game-like repetition, it might feel pricey. Pros and cons. Pros: structured, curriculum-based lessons, high-quality content and native audio, AI conversation tools and pronunciation feedback, community corrections for writing and speaking, progress tracking, and real milestones. Cons: fewer languages compared to some rivals, not as gamified or addictive as other apps, premium features only with subscription. Who Busuu is best for. Choose Busuu if you want a structured learning path with clear levels, prefer real conversation practice and feedback, appreciate real grammar explanations, are serious about language fluency and not just basics. Busuu may not be the best choice if you want quick, gamified learning with rewards and streaks, a huge catalog of niche languages, free learning without subscription paywalls. Final verdict in 2026. Busuu stands out as a serious language learning app in 2026. Its combination of structured lessons, AI tools, and community feedback makes it a strong choice for learners who want real progress. It's not perfect, and it's not the most fun app out there, but if your goal is fluency rather than casual practice, Busuu is one of the better options available today. If this Busuu review helped you decide whether it's worth your time in 2026, give the video a like and subscribe to GigaBits. We break down the best apps, tools, and tech so you can make smarter choices without the guesswork. Turn on notifications so you never miss a guide like this. See you in the next one on GigaBits.